The current Miller A60 was last updated in around 2013. There's been a lot of technological advances that have occurred since then. We've identified new systems and new components that we would like to integrate. We identified for the new A60 that would really help bring it to the next level. Our goal for the EnPak A60 really is to make the product as efficient as possible. We want to take that 25 horsepower engine that we have and get as much of that power from the engine to the end user. So whether that's through the hydraulic system, the air compressor, or the generator or welder, we really want to get that power out to them as much as possible. One of my favorite parts about new product development is when we make our first functional prototype. And we get to take that prototype out to customers and get their reaction, their feedback right away on the changes, the improvements that we've made. That's very crucial for our team. We're able to take that feedback and make changes as needed on the fly during the new product development process, and really helps us build the best product we can. Customers are going to love how quiet it is, how much power they got out of the product, the integration of the welding into the case of the product, just the versatility of the product and how it integrates easier. It's smaller, it's going to fit in more spaces than they have before. It allows more versatility in packaging by having the fan in multiple locations. It'll be easier for them to integrate across the board. When you invest in an A60, you know you're getting a product that's been tested, a product that was developed with the customer in mind, and you know that there's a team there to support you.